Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of technology, focusing on the POCCO F4 and its LCD replacement. So let's get started. First off, let's talk about the POCCO F4. This sleek and stylish smartphone is packed with impressive features, making it a popular choice among tech-savvy users. The POCCO F4 boasts a stunning 6.5-inch IPS LCD display that ensures a crisp and vibrant visual experience. Whether you're watching movies, scrolling through social media, or playing your favorite games, the POCCO F4 delivers impressive visuals that keep you engaged. Now, let's discuss the LCD replacement process. It's essential to understand that the LCD is not a user-replaceable part. This means if you encounter any issues with your LCD, like cracks, dead pixels, or other display problems, you'll need to seek professional help. It's always tempting to go the DIY route, especially with so many tutorials available online. But when it comes to something as delicate as your smartphone's display, it's best to leave it to the experts. One of the standout features of the POCCO F4 is its IPS LCD technology. IPS displays are known for their excellent viewing angles and superior color reproduction. This is particularly important for users who appreciate vibrant videos and photos or rely on accurate colors for creative work. However, if your LCD is damaged, you won't be able to fully enjoy these features. When it comes to replacement, you must ensure that you're using a genuine POCCO F4 LCD. Cheap alternatives proliferate the market, and while they might seem like a quick fix, they can lead to significant issues down the line. Non-genuine LCDs can cause poor image quality, color discrepancies, and even reduced battery life. Worse yet, they could potentially damage other components of your device. So, always opt for authentic parts. You wouldn't want that after investing in such a fantastic device. If you're experiencing any problems with your POCCO F4 LCD, don't hesitate to reach out to a trusted repair shop. Look for a repair center that specializes in smartphone repairs and uses genuine parts. They'll have the right tools and experience to ensure a smooth and successful replacement process. Additionally, a reputable repair shop often provides warranties on their work, giving you peace of mind. In conclusion, the POCCO F4 is indeed a fantastic smartphone with a top-notch LCD display. But it's essential to remember that the LCD is not user-replaceable and should be handled by professionals for any repairs or replacements. If you're facing LCD issues, reach out to a trusted repair shop rather than attempting a DIY fix. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. And remember, whether it's fixing your device or exploring the latest tech trends, stay tech-savvy. Until next time, take care.